Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pay with cash on Lyft. So let's get into the video. So open up Lyft and then select your journey, so wherever you want to ride to. So once you have selected all those pick up and drop up on all those informations here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this add payment option. So select the add payment option. So when you select the add payment option, under payment method you'll see add a payment method option. Simply select that, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to choose the cash option. So simply select the cash option. So when you select the cash option, select an amount that you wish to use. So for example here, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to this install option here, select on install. So when you get to install here, all right, click on find a store and go to a nearby participating store, so wherever that is. So just choose one. So when you choose a store, it will give you a barcode. So all you have to do is go to that store and then show them that unique barcode that you will just receive, and then your payment. So just pay to that store, and then once you pay to that store with your cash, and what happens is that cash will be added to your Lyft account here. So now you can simply make any rides, and then all you have to do, you can just pay with your Lyft cashier. So if you go to your Lyft cashier, so select that, and the payment and the ride will be paid through that. So this is how you can pay with cash on Lyft through this method here. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.